Can y'all see me? Okay, y'all, let's get this DIY done. Today I'm gonna be using this Dollar Tree coloring kit. It's lavender, as you can see. I hope you can see. And the instructions are quite simple. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but what does it say? Use a comb or fingers to spread the color through your hair. To quickly dry, use a blow dryer. Once dry, brush hair to even out the color. Shampoo hair to remove the color. Okay, y'all. So let's open the box. Booyah. So you just got this pack of color in it. And it do come with a freaking comb. A little bitty comb. So bam, bam, bam. So my hair is dirty, guys. It's not dirty. I shouldn't say that. I just washed this bad boy Saturday, Sunday. I don't even remember. But y'all see it. Y'all see that gray though? That gray. Come on through, gray. Come on through. So I'm not going to do my whole head. We're not doing all that. So I'm going to do a piece, probably like this, and to just blend it in. So let me pull my hair together, or what part I'm going to do, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. So I'm going to do this much of my hair. I think that's a lot, because I'm just going to blend it in. So hopefully we're going to see if it's able to wash out easily the next day. Because you already know. It do have a pre-torn area, so you don't need scissors. And I hope this mess don't get all over my restroom. So I'm tearing it without scissors. Okay. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all know I'm kind of scared. I didn't think this all the way through because I don't even have like a towel. Let me get a towel. I'll be right back. Okay, I got a raggedy towel and I do have my blow dryer. Blow dryer. Did it say I needed gloves? Freaking A. I think you should use gloves. I'm not using them all the time, y'all. Okay. Here we go. Oh my God. Use gloves, guys, because this stuff probably gonna stain my freaking hands. So let me be your guinea pig. It don't look that bad. It smell like paint. Yeah, it's not that strong like I thought it would be. You can barely see it. It sucks. That sucks. So you already know what that means. We're gonna go straight all the way purple then. What else we want purple? I'm gonna do this purple. Cause it ain't even, you can't even see it, guys. It's real lavender. Tricky. I'm gonna just do it. I thought it was gonna be a brighter color. I'm gonna do the rest because I don't got that much video. I'll be right back. Okay, I pulled it all up like this and made it concentrate on the ends. Y'all can't see no color. Can y'all see me? Hope I'm not too close. I did it all the way on the end. I don't even see it anymore, okay, guys? But I did it like this and I applied it at the end. So now I'm gonna blow dry to see if the color pops out. But can y'all see color? Nowhere. Other than this awesome gray. You don't see color anywhere, and I used the whole package, just about. So I'm gonna use the blow dryer just to see if it pop out the color. But so far, it's a fail. And still nothing. Okay, y'all, I blew dry, blow dry, blow dry, blow dry. Okay, let's go with that one. I blow dry my hair for at least, 5 minutes. It is perfectly dry. No sign of purple anywhere. No sign. None. So I'm assuming you're going to have light color hair already. Even in my gray. Hopefully y'all can see the gray. Can y'all see that? I'm trying to lean over. Even in the gray, and I put some color in my gray, it still didn't change that. Can y'all see it? That gray go hard though. I'm looking hard. Nope. There's no. This is the original spot. I'm all the way. This is the original spot I put the color in. No color. None. Waste of money, waste of time. So guys, unless you have white color hair or bleached hair, what have you, don't buy this because it's not going to do anything. At least it's going to have like little specks of purple. Nothing. So I guess I'm just going to be Kenya for Halloween. Hi. Kenya, yay. That was a fail. So anyway, that is my review for this color I got at Dollar Tree. It sucks and it do not work. Save your money and your time unless you have bleach colored hair already, lightened hair. So yeah, it don't work. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, even though it was a fail, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys not this coming Sunday, but the following Sunday. And happy Halloween! I guess this was my trick. Show was not a treat. See you later. Deuce.